to Western Civ 2 Online. My name is Dr. Barbara Boschert, and I will be your instructor. So, what do you need to know about me? Well, I have been a teacher at Coahoma Community College for at least 13 years, and I've been teaching online for 8 or more years. Before that, I worked in the Clarksdale City Schools. I spent a lot of years at Clarksdale High School. So this is my favorite age group of students. So welcome to the class. If you want to know about my education, I got my BA at the University of Arkansas in History and Political Science, and my 2 postgraduate degrees from Delta State. So, you're the Oprah. On a personal note, I have a really, really big garden. We grow a lot of tomatoes and okra, and that's coming in right now. And I hope to have that well into October, maybe November. We take care of my husband's 90-year-old father, and so that is a lot of time and loving effort on our part. It's part of the reason I go to bed so early. So if you email me after like 8 o'clock, I probably won't respond until the next morning. Also, my husband and I are very big Grizzlies fans, so grit and grind. This is also a motto that you can use in this class. I want to see a lot of grit, and I want to see you grinding, which means working hard. Why should you care about this class? This class is going to be one of the most exciting classes that you take during your undergrad career. Not only are you going to learn cool historical stuff, it's going to help you understand our world better. In addition, I am a big believer that this class will help you read, write, and think better. I want you to learn study skills, learn how to read and comprehend difficult texts, write exquisite essays, and this will help you transfer to the university and seamlessly flow into your career. So yes, this is an important class. As for Canvas, after you have looked at the home page, know that you need to log into modules. Modules, modules, modules. This is where I keep everything. All of your notes, videos, learning aids, all of your assignments and tests are in modules. Even your ebook is in modules. Your link is in modules. So when you log in, go to modules. Finally, I am very easy to get, and I want to be with you every step of the way. Please do not hesitate to contact me for any reason. I'm here for you. I want you to be successful, so stay in touch. If you email me, I will get back to you probably within minutes during the day. I check all of the time. If you email me after 8 o'clock at night, you can expect a response the next morning, usually before 8 a.m. Also, my phone number is on the home page. It's my office phone number, and as you can see, I am in the high school building now. However, my office number rings to my cell phone, so please contact me by email or phone during the day, and I will be happy to help you with anything I can. Definitely reach out if you're having trouble with Canvas. I look forward to a wonderful semester, and I look forward to getting